Garahan here. In this two-part demo, I'm going to show you how to create a custom UI button, one with a normal state and then a overstate. So let's open up Xcode, create a new Xcode project, a view-based application, and let's call this custom button random image. Alright. Now the first thing we want to do is I created some images, so I'm going to drag them into the resource folder. Remember to copy them into your destination folder. Now these images, I have two images of a flower. I have a regular flower and then an overstate for the flower. So what's going to happen is when the user clicks on the regular flower, the overstate will show. And then I have some grass, which will be used as a background. We next need to go into our custom button nib file to open up interface builder. So double click on that. Interface builder will come up. Here's your view. Now we're going to make custom buttons. So you want to get two rounded rect buttons and drag them onto the stage. One there and one there. Now over here we're going to change the type of this button to be custom. And then we want the background to be flower 1. So I'm just going to make this big. Alright, and now for the second one, set that to be custom. Set the background image to flower 2 and then resize it. Okay, so now we have two custom buttons, but we need to set the overstates. And to state that, this is default state configuration. We want highlighted state. And then we want to set the background image for the highlighted state. So that's going to be flower 1 over. And for this one, we want to set the highlighted state, and it should be flower 2 over. Let's save that. And the last thing is we want to stick that grass in the background. So just drag the grass onto the stage. It's going to be on top of everything. To move it into the back, we want to click Layout and Send to Back. Alright, now save that and exit Interface Builder. Now in code, we're just going to write an action so the two buttons can click. So in our header file, I'm going to delete these comments. I'm going to write two IB actions. IB action, call it left flower clicked. Sender. And then one for the right flower. IB action, right flower clicked. All right, now you've wrote those two actions. We want to copy them and go over to the .m file, and we'll just paste them right under the implementation section. Now to finish this example, we just want to make sure that our functions are working. So we want to write a printf, and we'll say left click. That'll tell us that left clicked has worked. And down here for right clicked, we want it to print out right clicked in the console. Now the last thing we need to do is open up Interface Builder once again and link up our two button events. So if we right click on the files owner, we should see those things we made. Where are they? IB action, left flower clicked. Oh, they're there. Left flower clicked and right flower clicked. We're touch up inside and right flower clicked, touch up inside. Now these two are linked up. Let's save and exit, and we'll test it. Test our project in the interface builder, or in the simulator. Now to see the console, you have to click this little guy right there. This will launch the console, and this, from here, we can see if our buttons are working. So let's click, and it said right clicked and left clicked. Perfect. And you see when you click on these, it changes from the normal state to the down state. All right, great. And then part 2 will show you how to place an image randomly on the stage.